This is the oldest specimen that exists of Homo, of our genus.
That's anthropology professor Brian Villamoare holding a cast of a 2.8 million year old jawbone. He found the actual jawbone in Ethiopia in 2013 as co director of an international team dedicated to the search for human fossils. The find is significant because it is the oldest evidence of genus Homo.
We've been looking for more than 10 years for sediments between 2 and 3 million years, which are very difficult to find. So we finally did find a good section, and we had spent weeks looking, and just by chance we came across the jaw.
The jawbone is a link between early Homo sapiens and those from which they evolved, particularly the Australopithecus.
Australopithecus, from 3 million years and older, back to the split with chimps at say 6 or 7 million years, is a fairly ape-like animal. So it lived an ape-like lifestyle, and it has a big, robust mandible and fairly big teeth. And we have small teeth and small jaws. So this is the earliest we see of that transition. So if you look at a chimp jaw, chimps have these big, the big canines that you probably, they fight with, they have these big teeth. So a little bit of that is left over in Australopithecus, but in us it's totally gone. So you see in this that it has our pattern. So it's definitely our genus, and what's important about it is that it's early. So it's very soon after Australopithecus.
Scientists speculate that the rapid transition from Australopithecus to our human genus occurred when the climate changed from wet and warm to cool and dry.
Ape-like animals living in the forests, they have two choices when they're under that sort of selective pressure. They can either go extinct, which obviously a lot of animals have done, or they can adapt. And we're just lucky enough that we did happen to adapt to function in a drier, more open climate. We had spent so long looking and trying to fill in this gap in the fossil record that we knew would answer a lot of important questions with regard to human evolution. So having found something validated our efforts.
Villamoare published his finds in the journal Science and will have the jawbone CT scan to look for more developmental clues. But he's eager to get back to Africa to find more fossils, and when he does, those fossils will be studied here at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas.